You're using a hook.
You'd like to be able to do it for more than a year.
Especially, I mean, these little logs, you can roll them up there pretty easily, but you start getting bigger stuff, it don't move.
It's fine.
Your head's gonna fly away.
They had to be smarter.
You have to stay close to you, you'll knock it under the top.
It's a lot easier than it was when I first started doing it.
Get those dogs up.
Watch out.
Go get the dogs up. Susie.
It's kind of doing the teeth.
Yeah, I know. Put them all the way up for this crazy thing.
Okay. When they did it, have a electric.
Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him.
That's not gonna
Get
work.
him. Get him. Get him.
I'd rather do
You're
it
fired.
rotary.
Dude.
I'm gonna have to torture
Fine.
somebody.
You get him. Good. Good. Good.
I